In this video, we're going to be having a look at ETHW, guys. A massive breakout is imminent, and as I am making this video, actually, it is actually breaking out, and I wanted to make this video before it was breaking out, but right now it is currently breaking out. As you guys can see right now, the question is are we going to break above on the 4-hour time frame on ETHW? If you guys are in my Telegram signal channel, I did mention a long on ETHW, which I'm going to get to that in just a second. So if you guys see on my signal channel right here, I said breakout on the resistance on ETHW. Buy target is $10.05 to $11.05. Stop loss would be $7% from the entry. Take profit 1, 2, and 3 are given. So can ETHW make a 102% pump like I mentioned essentially in my Telegram channel, which would be approximately $21? That is very possible. But first, we're gonna have to see a few things. We're gonna have to see volume increasing, which as you guys can see right now, it is currently decreasing, which is good. Big move is imminent. Now the question is it going to be to the downside or to the upside? And of course, we're going to have to see a breakout above this resistance, a closure. Now another thing that I do want to talk about is this nice little bear flag or bull flag that we're in right now. So ETHW right now is currently in a nice beautiful bull flag. The question is are we going to come back and hit one more time before coming back up? Can this be a fake out? Are we going to break out? Very possible. Anyways, we have our stop losses. My second entry would essentially be right here. Nothing is said and done. We have 2 hours and 8 minutes left until the 4-hour candle closes, as you guys can see right here on the right side of my screen. So I wouldn't be too crazy. I wouldn't FOMO into this just yet. If you guys are in my Signal Telegram channel, another thing that I want to speak about is on MEXC Global, you could actually trade ETHW USDT futures while no other exchanges is actually offering that except for Bybit. So if we go right here on CoinMarketCap on ETHW, we could see that on futures, not a lot of peers are in it. And the reason why I'm very bullish is because for those of you guys who don't know, ETHW is the airdrop that went from proof of work to proof of stake, and Binance still has not been listed. ETHW still has not been listed on Binance. Now imagine how crazy that will be and how crazy ETHW will go once it gets listed on Binance. I mean, the volume would be easily 80% to 100% pump in my opinion, and that is before, in my opinion, what's gonna about to be happening, this breakout off this resistance right here. So we have a resistance right here, and right here. Let's have a look at CoinMarketCap before we continue with some technical analysis real quick. ETHPOW proof of work. ETHW currently traded at $11.09, market cap of $1.3 billion, up 3.27% in the past 24 hours, and we do have a volume of $203 million. Now, of course, as you guys can see, this has not been verified yet. That's why there's this little triangles. So nothing is said and done yet. But right now we are pumping. Things are looking good. 28,000 people on the watch list. 2658. That's how much that is the ranked right now. 2658 is the current ranked on ETHW. Now, for those of you guys who don't know, ETHW can be traded on FTX, Gate, Huobi, Kraken, FTX.us, and has not been traded on Binance. Of course, you could do on Crypto.com as well, and MEXC Exchange, which is my personally the best exchange that I like to trade futures on. I mean, most of the pairs get listed on MEXC first before any other exchanges. ETHW, the first MEXC was the first exchange to list ETHW while other exchanges were slacking. So that's why personally I like ETHW. They're the first exchanges to essentially list all the coins that a lot of people don't know about. So I personally made a lot of money compared to Binance, Crypto.com, and KuCoin. I have an account on all these exchanges, and ETHW and MEXC is one of my favorite ones so far. That's why I decided to partner up with them. Anyways, going back into some technical analysis on the 4-hour time frame, we know right here that we are in a nice little bull flag. Can we continue to the upside and reach my target of $16, which would be one of the targets? Very possible. If we have a look on the 1-hour time frame, the reason why I'm making this video and the reason why I think a big move is coming is because of this right here. So we know the trend is your friend until it bends, right? This has been a nice little trend line, right? Of course, you could take a long right here. Make sure you put the stop loss below the trend line, and of course at the resistance. Now, the 1-hour candle does end in 5 minute and 44 seconds. If we manage to close above that, that would be very good. But we know, look, we just got a fake out right here. So this is why it's important not to FOMO, guys. Be careful. Don't be over leveraged, because look at that. We had a crazy pump and then a crazy dump. Now the volume is increasing. If we get the volume to increase a little bit more in the next 4 or 5 minutes, that would be very good and a very bullish sign for ETHW. But as of right now, things are looking okay. Nothing too crazy. I personally wouldn't do anything. I have 2 long positions in 2 different accounts on ETHW. I have 2 different MEXC account, but as of right now, that is it. If we manage to break the volume right here, this current volume that we had on September 26th, that would be very, very good. Then we could see a massive swing, because when we break out of things, we want to see volume. We want to see an increase in volume. Now, if we go back on the 4-hour time frame and we take out the stochastic RSI, also a bullish move. Stochastic RSI are wanting to go up. It seems like the blue is crossing over the orange, and it seems like we do want to have that nice little pump that everyone is looking for right here. If we have a look on the 1-hour time frame, it seems like we are pumping. We're nearing that overbought region, and we know every time we're above 80, investors are going to be looking to sell, and a reversal is imminent. But that is not always the case, guys, so don't always rely on these in the. And of course, on the 15-minute time frame, things are looking pretty good as well. Nothing too crazy, as you guys can see. I mean, right here we did have a nice little drop. On the 15-minute time frame, we are looking oversold. It seems like we do want to pump a little bit more, or a lot of bit more, I should say. But we're gonna have to see overall when this candle closes in 4 minutes exactly. Volume is increasing, as you guys can see right here, which is a very good sign. And that's it. If I have a look on the 1-hour time frame and I take the EMA ribbon, which is, as you guys know, one of my favorite indicators, we can see right here that we are above the exponential moving average. Now, we know every time we're above the EMA ribbon, we always see these nice little swings to the upside. The question is this going to be another fake out? Are we going to finally break above this nice little downtrend? Are we going to close above it? Because we know right here this was a rejection as well. Another one right here, a few rejections right here. This was a double top that, if you guys saw my video, or if you guys were in my signal channel a few days ago, I called a short on ETHW, and we made 24%. I called it 3x short, and that was essentially a 60% pump in, or gain, in literally a few hours. So that was a very amazing. And that's about it. I mean, overall, guys, this is my short video on ETHW. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.3 billion, which is good. 100% is very possible, even 200%. I mean, guys, the market cap is still quite low for an Ethereum project proof of work. I think this can go to $10 billion market cap, which is approximately 7 to 8x from here. But we're going to have to see overall where this goes, how this market handles. I mean, we know right now Bitcoin is in a bear market. Things are dumping, things are consolidating. So whatever happens will happen, of course, according to that. If you guys like this short video on ETHW, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Peace.